1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Kom mat la pa chaman tuya ken token style toxin called.
You feel it?
Yeah.
Bruh.
Kom mat liya tok sadang nang
Is it
kloken.
bad? It's painful for me. Is it very bad?
No, not that bad. It only hurts a little.
I want my ears. I want 4 piercing on each side.
La pero nga chame banto ko ichang.
Nah, that's you. That's gonna be you next.
Yay!
Look, that's you.
Now pag lang nun tama bantok.
Nana, you next. Ready. Finish. Nah, are you ready to get your ear pierced? Yeah, you're gonna get your ears pierced. Get ready, Nana. That's gonna be you.
Abachang.
Look,
Abachang chang.
look, that's you next. Go. It's your turn. Your turn.
No,
It's your turn.